Welcome to Worldwide Rides and welcome to this kind of special POV. This is the second video for the current Audi A8L 60 TFSI quattro, and this POV will be filmed from the back seat. If you want to see the POV from the driver's seat, feel free to click on the pop-out banner on the top right hand of the screen and enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's open up the back door and at first have a look inside. My driver is already sitting there. So let's jump in. Of course, we have soft close here in the back. And let's start our comfortable ride. So as you can see here in the back in the L version, so in the long wheelbase version of the Audi A8, there's plenty of room. But if this is not enough, I have the possibility to switch the seat steering to the front seat and then move it electrically from the back so that my legs will have even more room. And if I want to, there's this little magical button which reclines the seat and brings it into some kind of a laying position, which is extremely comfortable on long rides. So now that we are in our comfortable position, we want to be entertained, and to do this we can pick up this little tablet from the middle between the two seats, and here we have all the controls over the cars. You have the control over the seat. You can not only adjust your seating position, but you can also start a massage. And in the massage function you can change the different programs, and I think I'll try out stretch right now, and all the programs are available in 3 intensities. And they feel really great. These seats back here actually deserves the name massage seats, because it really feels as if somebody is massaging your back. Really cool. In addition to this, we can of course switch on or off our heated seats back here in 3 ways, and the seats back here are also ventilated, which is very comfortable in the summer. Another really cool thing is that you can control the sun blinds. If I want, I can close them all at once or individually. And with these sun blinds up, it becomes very dark and comfortable. And when it's dark, I need some light to read a book or a magazine. And here in the A8L, you don't only have matrix LED headlights, you also have matrix LED reading lights, which means if I set these to individual, I can not only switch them on, but I can also change the size of the light between S, M and L, and furthermore I can adjust the point where the light shines to. Isn't this an extremely cool toy? I love that. So what else can we do? Of course, we can control all the media in here, from the radio to the connected media devices. So I can lower the volume, higher the volume, change tracks, anything I want. Of course, back here I have not only a CD but also a DVD tray, and yes, I can also call or make phone calls with this tablet. So if my phone rings, I can take it out of here and then use it just like a normal smartphone. And of course, if I want to, I can change the ambient light in the A8 all from the back seat. Very, very comfortable. One thing that I really love about sitting in the back of this car is how quiet it is when you're riding on these streets here. Even if the streets are kind of bad and bumpy, you don't feel much back here when the suspension is in the comfortable mode. It's really incredible how much comfort this car gives you. And one thing that's very practical, let's first open up the sun blinds again so that there's some more light in here. What's really practical, if you're working back here, you have a full AC outlet, which is really nice, and of course 2 cup holders. Down here you have a phone box where not only your phone is charged, but also the service of your provider is a little better because there's an external antenna down there, 2 USB ports, and one more big storage compartment down here. Yeah, and that's it. One thing that I really don't like is the sound of the stereo when you're sitting back here. The sound of the stereo in the front is not very good, but when you're sitting in the back it is even worse, believe it or not. It can be worse than in the front, and for me this is an incredible disappointment. Yeah, I was hoping for some really good sound in here, but there isn't. Last but not least, there is your makeup mirror. Hi. Yeah, so sitting like this with a seat recline, massage on, heated seats on, you can travel for hours and hours and you will not get tired. It's really well done. So thank you for watching this short and special POV drive from the backseat of the A8L. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to subscribe to the Instagram channel, which is linked below. And if you want to, feel free to comment whatever you want. Comment which car I should drive for you, which cars you want to see. Yeah, and if you do so, thank you very much and see you on your next ride. Bye.